Hello everyone, I'm Samantha, and today I'm going to show you another simple strategy. But before we start, I'd like to remind you that if you're interested in joining my Telegram group where I share all my trades for free, you can text me directly on Telegram, so I personally answer you and add you to my private group with signals. And don't forget that there is a limit of just 100 people, so you need to hurry up to get there. So let's get started. So we choose the time frame of the candle from 1 minute to half an hour, set the expiration time to 2 candles. In my case, it's 2 minutes, and we go to the indicators. We include parabolic, moving average, and stochastic oscillator. After that, go to settings, and here is 2:100 and here is 2:10, and in style. So choose a color and 2 pixels. After in the moving average here, we set 28 and the moving average EMA. After setting up stochastic, we go in, put 15, 3, 3, and SMA in the style you will have 80 and 20 here. This is an important point. We set 85 and 25. If you have a desire, you can change the colors, but I'll leave it this way, so let's move on to this strategy. So we have an average, moving average line, and small squares that show the price movement. And also stochastic, we chose 2 lines, also movement. That is, here is too low than too high. So we're not entering into a deal. Let's get down to the assembly itself. Let's say we'll start here. As we can see, here we have only 3 squares. That is, we're not entering into this deal because it has not been approved. We can enter into a deal from 5 squares and more, like here, 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 and so on. So we have a moving average. We go down when the price is above it and also go up when the price is below it. We pay attention here. So we do not enter into a deal when the price is higher than the green line and the same when it's lower than yellow. So let's get down to a little analysis of the interesting moments that have already been, as we see here. The price is fixed, the next candle opens from below and it goes completely up. Here we have a green square formed and we have entered about 2 candles here and we have already closed in a plus, so that's why I made the expiration time 2 candles. For example, here we have the price closed here, everything was fixed. Our promotion is over, so we have a new candle opening and immediately a new square for a decrease. The price is above the midline, that is, we will open the deal on the downside, and if we open somewhere here or here after 2 candles, we would be in the black. And it works with all the listed coins that are here. Here, for example, here the price has closed and established itself, a new square for a decrease in the price above the middle line. That is, we will open for a decline and we are looking at stochastic, and the price is in this place. This means that we can fully and confidently enter here. We enter 2 candles and we would be in the black, just like here, and the price has closed. A new square opens, and if I opened here for the opening a new candle, I would be in the black. As we can see, the price is going up. That is, we can no longer trade further because it has gone above the average line. As we can see, there are 5 squares here, but we trade when there are 5 or more. That is 5, and still the next square is already on top and the price is going down, just as there are 3 squares here. We thought there would be a decrease, but no, it just jumps. There are 5 squares. Thought there would be promotion, and no, it still went down, and therefore we always need to make sure how many squares there are to be sure of our deal. Just like here, the price went up too high, so we don't go in here, but we go in, for example, somewhere here. Here it is just a new square, we go in. Here would be the ideal entry point. And we would have earned a plus for 2 candles, so let's move on to the deal itself. Now we need to find an interesting moment for us. We'll wait now. There's no moment here, so let me close all the pairs. Yes, let me close all the pairs now and put new ones at 90% so that they are interesting for us. The price is above the line. Now we are waiting for the closure of this candle and open for a decline. I forgot to pay attention to stochastic. We will not open because here the price is already over the yellow line. It will go up now, and therefore we skip this deal and look for another one. Here I found an interesting moment. The price went up slightly, stochastic confirms the upward movement to us. The last candle was green. Here it was established itself, closed, and now we will open for an increase in 10 seconds. We have opened to us the stochastic increase, confirms the upward movement. That is, 2 lines go up. I'll come back to you in 2 minutes until the very closing of the transaction. So after 10 seconds, we close in this transaction 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We close profitably and we were lucky. As we see the following, the candle immediately went green. That is, stochastic confirms this movement to us squares. So these movements are confirmed to us and we can be completely confident here. Let's move on to finding a new deal. Here we see an interesting movement. We should have squares now. They will be based upwards because stochastic in this upper position. It is about the green line and our price is about the average moving line. Therefore, we are waiting for a price reversal and confirmation of the first one with squares, and we will open for a decrease. And while we're waiting, I suggest you to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So we opened for a downgrade based on stochastic, and based on the fact that the price is higher than the average, the moving line. I'll come back to you in 2 minutes. As we can see, our deal closed in a plus based on 2 stochastic and moving average line actions. The price of course went down. It was possible to base on squares, but it was better to base on them somewhere here and here. That is when the price has just turned around. And let's say here we already have a price below the average line, so we will not enter into this transaction. So let's look for another deal to confirm that the strategy given works very well and it is very simple to learn. An interesting movement is that the price is below the average moving line. Stochastic, I show that both lines are below the yellow one, and we're going to open for increase now. So we're opening for increase and we'll be back to you in 2 minutes. We have only a few seconds left, and as we can see, according to stochastics, we have confirmation that both lines are going up. Our deal is closing and one more plus. So I hope everything was clear to you. But if you still have any questions, write them in the comments and I will definitely answer them, so we can make a small conclusion that the last strategy that I posted, it is famous for the fact that it is very fast. That is, your transaction lasts about 5 seconds, but there is much less confidence. And here we have as many as 3 analyses by squares, by line and by stochastic. That is, the confidence in this deal is much greater and we have a much better chance to earn. And at this point, I will finish the video and thank you all for watching, and don't forget to put your thumbs up. And good luck everyone, and bye bye.